In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial for GPU which is missing in Windows 11 Task Manager. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Task Manager. By the way, you can also press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key together, and in that way you would be able to bring this up. So at the moment you have opened up the Task Manager, please expand it and navigate here at this left pane where you can see a list of the options. So if in your case, if no options are showing, just click on these three lines here. And in that way, you will be able to open up this list of the option or open up the navigation. So by that, you need to proceed with processes. So upon checking the processes, you can see that here in this table, you won't be able to see the GPU or the graphics processing unit, okay? And in order to fix it where the GPU is missing here in the task manager, all you need to do is you need to simply navigate here in the name, okay, in this box, and here make a right click, and then this way you would be able to see a list of the option. So from here, please proceed with GPU. Click on this one, and the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to open up the GPU here in your task manager. In this way, you would be able to identify those specific application or program which contains the highest utilization of GPU here in your Windows 11. Okay? So once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.